In this video, I'm going to be talking about, does Instagram notify the other person when you screenshot one of their posts? So to explain this, I'm going to go ahead and search for one of my other accounts. And I'll just tap on it. And then I'll just go to any post, and then what I'll do is I'll make a screenshot of this specific post. So I've made a screenshot now. Now if I go ahead and log into that account, I've now switched to that account that I took the screenshot of on the other account. Now if I go to the home page and I tap on my notifications at the top right of the screen, you can see I'll have all my normal notifications of who followed me and who liked what, but you don't see any notifications that I took a screenshot of that post. So Instagram doesn't notify the other account when you screenshot one of their posts, but the only time they might send a notification is when you screenshot a DM message. So that's the quick explanation on, does Instagram notify the other person when you screenshot a post. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.